Stand fire. Watch your eyebrows go.
My lens.
You get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that only took you a second to take.
No, I'm making a video. Matt, your big giant head's taking up all the megabytes on this camera. Woo!
Japanese fat-free butter.
They say Japanese fat-free butter.
Japanese I cannot do that.
You gotta do it.
My day. You need to be clapping.
Yeah, it's your day. It's
You better do it.
your first going.
Looking on small fire. Small fire. Looking. Fireworks.
Clap.
Shoot the train.
Right to you, Jake. I think for my kids, I really start with it. Yeah, train wreck.
Hey, Gary. See, I get it.
I was gonna say, it's just kind of humor.
Dude's got mad skills, man. I'm gonna try every one of these when I get home. I will.
Dude, I think they have a training program here, man.
Do they? It's like the Army and let me go TDY out here.
Yeah.
You only need one choppers at home, you can do that.
What's that?
You know, the food choppers, you only need one, you can do that.
It's better than food. Can't make the egg roll. I'm still trying to get my house cleaned. I got 90% of it all cleaned. I got 95% of everything moved out. I still got a little bit to go. I got to mop all the floors. I got one room left to clean.
And one time by the front? Is that about the bridge if you can pick it up?
No, it started working. I plugged it back in and it worked. But no problem with the balance. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little off. But I guess at least some of that money's gonna be recouped. The problem is, not a market. Exactly.
Diablo rojo, no, diablo blanco.
Oh, you guys got lost, dude. So it's so loaded. I can't believe that. I really thought they were pro.
It has to be on Friday, then it used to be. Remember the first Friday. I knew that was bugging me.
And apparently everybody must have been championship. They would be saying, sounds good, thank you. I got plenty. Yeah. Dude, what?
I said I've never said you were wrong.
The only person that wanted to go was bad.